So it's been silent here all day, and we came out and these birds are all up in the trees making all kinds of noise. So I was just going to record it for a second. See if I can go over there, get some pictures of the actual birds because they're hiding. Pretty interesting. Anyway, this is the courtyard outside of a hotel room. It's called the Chinese Garden. And then over there in that kind of open area in the distance is the pool. This is just some more of the grounds here. But what's interesting, that's inside the building. It's completely open air. There's no door or anything. Just breezes blow through here all the time. There's a little music going on. That's the main building over there. Just see the edge of the pool down there. Up there is where the drive entryway is, and here's some pretty Hawaiian flowers. And those birds won't shut up. Been absolutely silent all day till right now. I don't know if you can see, there's some big koi down in that water. I'll get you some other pictures later.